Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a great Wix website. First, let's talk about planning. Before you even touch the editor, take some time to define your website's core purpose and who you want to reach. This clarity will guide all your design and content decisions, ensuring your site serves its intended function effectively. Think about your brand's message and what you want visitors to achieve. Next, focus on design and content. Your website's visual appeal is crucial for making a strong first impression. Choose a consistent color scheme and limit your font choices to 2 or 3 for a cohesive look. Always use high-resolution images and videos to capture attention. Remember, compelling and easy-to-read content, ideally with paragraphs of no more than 5 lines, keeps visitors engaged and informed. Now, let's enhance functionality and search engine optimization. Wix offers a marketplace with hundreds of apps to add features like booking systems or live chat, significantly improving user experience. Don't forget to optimize your site for search engines by using relevant keywords in your text and image alt tags. Crucially, ensure your website looks and functions perfectly on all devices, from desktops to mobile phones. Finally, it's time to launch and maintain your fantastic Wix website. Before hitting publish, meticulously test every single link, form, and button to ensure everything works flawlessly. Connect your custom domain name for a professional touch. After launch, your work isn't over. Regularly update your content, monitor your site's performance using analytics, and engage with your audience to keep your online presence vibrant and successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.